Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for April 26, brought to you today by editorial researcher Olivia Roger. In our top news story, Roche's first quarter sales in its pharmaceutical division increased 5% to 10.7 billion Swiss francs, driven mainly by growth for Ocrevus and Perjeta. Sales of Perjeta climbed 18% to 613 million francs, while revenue from Ocrevus reached 479 million francs, besting analyst expectations of 406 million francs. Also in the news, Bristol-Myers Squibb's first quarter sales rose 5% to $5.2 billion, coming in just below analyst expectations, with revenue boosted by the performance of Eliquis and Opdivo. Sales of Opdivo and Eliquis both reached $1.5 billion, representing growth of 34% and 37% respectively, with both products beating forecasts of around $1.3 billion. In other news, AbbVie's first quarter sales of Humira climbed 14.4% to $4.7 billion, as overall revenue increased 21.4% to $7.9 billion, topping analyst estimates of $7.6 billion. CEO Richard Gonzalez said, AbbVie is off to an excellent start in 2018, delivering first quarter revenue and earnings per share growth well ahead of expectations. In addition, Shire's first quarter product sales climbed 7% to $3.6 billion, with growth led by immunology and recently launched products. Overall revenue increased 5% to $3.8 billion, besting expectations of about $3.7 billion, with net income surging 47% to $551 million. And finally, study data showed that patients with paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria can be switched from treatment with Alexion Soliris every 2 weeks to treatment with ALXN1210 every 8 weeks. In the trial, ALXN1210 demonstrated non-inferiority to Soliris in patients with PNH who had been stable on Soliris based on the primary goal of change in lactate dehydrogenase levels. To read these and other stories in full, please visit FirstWordPharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.